Hello, I'm Avishi. Welcome back. I should move thoda piche. So today's video is gonna be a full story time of my first college trip experience. वेरी इवेंटफुल स्टोरी टाइम जो मैं बता रही हूँ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग जगह में. दिस इज़ अ रैंडम रूम ऑन माई फ्लोर इन झेलम विच इज़ द गर्ल्स हॉस्टल इन आई एम जम्मू कनाल रोड कैंपस. एंड आई एम इन अ बहुत ही क्रीपी रूम राइट नाउ. आई गॉट ऑल माई सामान हियर. मैंने रूम बंद कर दिया एंड देयर इज दिस विंडो हियर. विंडो के बाहर लाइक देर आर फुल ऑन होम्स जहाँ लोग रह रहे हैं. एंड उसके साइड पे देर इज़ ऑल्सो like society type of complex. And जैसे ही मैं यहाँ बैठी and जैसे ही I set up my camera to record, suddenly I heard a knock on the window. So also look at the IIM Jammu merch. It's so cute. हमें finally merch मिल गए. I'm so happy. So being in an IIM means having classes on Saturday too sometimes. So we have 2 scheduled cost accounting classes every single Saturday. But on like Tuesday, हमें पता चला that both of those classes are cancelled. My class was about to begin when I saw the message that वो दोनों classes cancel हो चुकी थी on Saturday. And I turned to my friend Shriya and I was like, let's go Amritsar. And she was like, I am so down. So I looked piche and asked one of my friends and everybody was down to go on a quick weekend trip. Then we had lunch break when one of my friends, Sanya, was like, you know what, let's plan a pahad trip. And I was like, honestly, I have no problem, bas kahin chal lo. So we were like, let's go to Kashmir. Then we were discussing, we were like, you know what if we go to Dalhousie? I was sitting in lunch and I called the traveler guy and I'm like, yeah, हमें Dalhousie जाना है. Everybody's like, no, McLeodganj. And I was like, नहीं भैया हमें McLeodganj जाना है. नहीं कश्मीर नहीं, सॉरी भैया हमें कश्मीर जाना है. This went on for 10 minutes. Finally बहुत डिस्कशन के बाद that night it was decided that we are going to McLeodganj. McLeodganj धर्मशाला like पास. It's in Himachal Pradesh. Also in McLeodganj there's this one पहाड़ जिसका peak is called Triund. So we decided that we're gonna trek up to Triund. And the real battle started of us getting our leaves approved. Once again, I am moment. You have to get your leaves approved whenever you leave campus overnight. Finally, everybody got together. We wrote our leave applications. We got our parents to write letters giving consent for us to go. And we submitted our application. Our applications got approved Friday night and we were supposed to leave Sunday morning. So till Friday night, it was still up in the air if we're even going or not. And one of my friends had already paid the traveler guy the advance. So finally, the trip begins. Our traveler was supposed to come at 4 a.m. He came at 5 a.m. Now timing was something very important for Saturday because we had to climb up the pahad, which obviously had to be done during the day so you don't do it at night, fall off the pahad and die. So पहले तो हमारा traveler 1 घंटा लेट आया.
Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that
We stopped at this dhaba to like pee and stuff, and we had chai, and then we went back to our traveler, and then some more time we stopped at this beautiful inn. There was something so serene and calming and just naturally beautiful about this inn.
you tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next on the corner of hope. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You get
Like you're walking down the steps wahan pe, and then you see the river and it's completely glistening in the sunlight.
a little love with a little sun everywhere you go, everywhere you run. You never say a word even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you smile. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I live. You give a little love with a little sun everywhere you go, everywhere you run. I found myself dreaming again. Moments you leave, it goes blank in my head.
before that is like this beautiful little aquarium. उसके आगे all the tables are set up. Then we went and sat on one of the tables and हमने parathas order करे for breakfast. Then कुछ घंटे बाद our traveler broke down. So now our traveler guy called a different traveler guy to take us to McLeodganj. This traveler guy came. Again, we're going on for a few hours. We're listening to music. We're having a great time. Now new Kalesh happens where this driver has some EMI payment that he has not done yet. So there are people after him. People literally chasing him on their scooters. So उनके scooters आके हमारी बस के सामने रुक गए. And then this guy had to get off and talk to these people. And we're just like a bunch of first year college children sitting in the bus waiting for this man to come and explain to us what the hell is going on. We were there just stranded in the middle of the road for like a full hour where this man was just discussing his paisa matters with these two people until he finally took us to some place where another traveler guy came and we boarded our third bus. Luckily इस वाली को कुछ नहीं हुआ and we safely reached McLeodganj. McLeodganj is such a pretty place.
Like my bed is on fire when I'm sleeping alone. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You get a little love, a little sun everywhere you go, everywhere you run. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling.
Like main McLeodganj area में there's a huge market where there's so many beautiful cafes and a bunch of shops where they sell artifacts, they sell shawls. So we went there, we ate a little bit and everything, and we were like, okay, it's time to start climbing. So the trek is supposed to be about 5 hours long uphill, like even if you're going very aram se, but with us it took us I think like 9 hours. I'm not even exaggerating. So we started trekking up dhire dhire and it was so beautiful. Like I have no words for how beautiful nature looked.
I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun everywhere you go, everywhere you run. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me.
कौन है?
It's such an experience being so close to nature, being so close to nature, being so immersed in nature during that trek was like it altered my brain chemistry and I like genuinely forgot about everything in my life, which happens very rarely. It was very tiring. It was a 9-hour leg workout. We were going and some of us were struggling more than others, so we kept stopping at these places and getting Maggie, getting Nimbu Pani, getting Pani. By the way, interesting little insight, as you keep going up on the pahad, the prices of your everyday goods keep increasing. So your 10 रुपए का Oreo packet becomes fully like 50 rupees while you're going ऊपर. Okay, not like 50, but double price everything. So हम इतना slow चल रहे थे that it literally got dark as we were going ऊपर. When we had finally like crossed the forest wala area and we were near the mountain peak, it was completely dark and we were all like, we are like literally dying tonight because how are we going to walk like this? None of us had flashlights or anything, by the way, and our guide was to gayab only. I don't know what he was doing. सबके बीच में it also started fully snowing, like snowing to the level where the snowfall was hitting our face and hurting, like the icicles were hurting our faces. I तो completely dissociated from my body only. So हम लोग ऊपर पहुंचे through the snow blizzard in the dark, like गिरते गिरते walking on these slippery stones which are no more than like a foot wide. So like one slip and you're gone. Luckily some more people from our batch only were already upar, so before our tents could be set up, we all ghusofied in their tents because as I mentioned, we were literally freezing. I couldn't feel my hands. I was wearing gloves, all of us are wearing gloves, but we couldn't feel our hands. Anyways, by the way, fun fact about me, I have really cold hands, like ice cold hands. My friend Shreya is always like, are you a dead body? Are you a vampire? Why is your body so cold? Us time pe it was so cold that I fully thought my fingers would break like icicles. And is sab ke beech mein network is completely gone. But in the little moments that it's working, I am texting my parents. I'm saying, we have reached. It's so cold. I'm literally dying. Now, this is one of those moments when you really understand what a generation gap means. My parents interpreted my message, it's so cold, I'm freezing, I'm dying, as I am literally dying, send help. So my bichare concerned parents contacted the nearest police station, contacted the forest department, and were apparently about to contact some person in the army that our kid is up there on some pahad and is dying. While they're doing all of this, they're sending me messages, but the messages are not reaching me, so I have no idea all of this is going on, and I have no way to explain to them that by I'm freezing, I'm dying, it was a metaphor. I did not mean that literally. When I got my parents' messages, I was like, oh shit. By this time, we had shifted to our own tents, and there was like a common hut there where we had gone. We were huddling around a bonfire, and then they had made this really disgusting chai, which was 40 rupees a tiny Nescafe ka glass. One of the guys there told me this one spot jahan par jaake network aata hai, and by God's grace it had stopped snowing. So I went there, I called my parents, and I was like, what the hell is wrong with you, bhai? I'm not dying, kya kar rahe ho? And they were like, no, you said that. I'm like, I didn't mean that. I have said things like that before. This is not the first time I've said I'm dying in front of you. Finally, I made them calm down and I went back to my tent. And this is when the trip actually began and we actually had fun. Because अब तक तो torture ही चल रहा था. Half of my friends by this time had sworn कि आज के बाद अगर किसी ने trek का नाम लिया तो I am never speaking to you again. All of that, we had fun in the tent. We played games. We did everything. And then in the morning, it was time to leave again. In the morning, when I actually saw everything clearly and actually saw where we were for the first time, because पिछली रात तो अंधेरा हो चुका था and you're actually supposed to reach before sunset. It was breathtaking. And the fact that we trekked up there made it so much more special because it's like I earned this view. Oh my god, I just realized there's mountains in this hoodie also. Then we started walking down and we were all looking around like हम इस पे चल के आए हैं रात को without a flashlight while it was snowing, because we saw how steep it was and what a difficult terrain it was. Any of my friends who did not believe in God before that, I think they started believing in God because there's no way we did all that without Bhagwan Ji being like, इनको जीने दो आज please. Also, one of my friends has a fear of heights, so when we started walking down, she fully started crying because she was like, what? Because it was so overwhelming for her, and I'm so proud of her for doing the entire trek also ऊपर तक आते हुए despite having a fear of heights. Then we went नीचे and we finally reached the market, and the market is so cute. It was so pretty. We genuinely had such a good time there. We did so much shopping. Everything is once again so overpriced because it's obviously like a major tourist destination. Everything I bought, I feel like it was worth it. Though, okay, I did get scammed एक 600 रुपए के bracelet के साथ. So I'm a big like crystal girly, and I bought this one crystal bracelet. It was some like 7 chakra healing, this will fix your life type of bracelet. The guy was showing me the bracelets and he was like, okay, so I think this would be good for you. I was like, okay, कितने का है? He was like 600. I was like, okay, any discount? He looks at me with the coldest expression I have ever seen a man have and say, this is not even that much. I was like, okay sir, I am so sorry that I questioned your 600 rupees ka bracelet, but okay, if you say so. So I bought it because I was like, if this man is saying it with so much confidence, then it must be the real thing. Anyways, वो moment मुझे तब फिर याद आया जब मैं वापस आ चुकी थी and एक दिन में ही पानी की वजह से आधे crystals का color ही छूट चुका था. There's also a monastery there in the middle of the market, so beautiful, and we went and we did the like the goal good luck thing. All of us did it together. It was so cute, and we all bought gifts for our friends and family. And इस सब के बाद we finally got on the traveler together and started coming home. I meant campus, but I guess campus is home now. And again we stopped at the same inn dinner के लिए and had the most amazing Amritsari fish fry. It was so good. This inn is in Punjab only. It's basically like the Pathankot Jammu border के area के पास. So good. Comfort Inn or something it is called. Highly recommend. A traveler guy only took us there. Actually, one of my friends, like one of the people in our group, he is Pahadi, so, and his home is actually very close to McLeodganj. In fact, he could like speak the same language as one of our guides. I think Dogri is the language. I think they were like bonding over that. So yeah, we did all of that and then we came back to campus. We came back at like 1 a.m. and subha 9 baje we had a compulsory performing arts class जिसमें all of us also had to perform. So I was in a play, my other friends were singing, some people were doing orchestra. So we all came, we all woke up at 8 a.m. and practiced with our respective groups and were in class at 9 a.m. in the morning doing our respective activity. And yeah, this was a little story time about my first college trip experience and like first time traveling solo with friends, planning the entire thing, manifesting so many more trips and so many more story times to share. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video and I'll see you very soon. Bye.